right, hello, Falcon. So we are doing slope from a table, and then we're going to look at linear and nonlinear from a table that doesn't go by ones like we looked at last week. So what we are going to do is we are going to look and say, okay, from 6 to -4, what happened? From 6 to -4, what happened? Well, from 6 to -4, that went down 10 spaces. And I got that from doing 6 minus -4. You can use a calculator and get that same exact answer. Then do the same thing here. From -4 to -14, what happens? Well, I go down -10. Sweet. On the left-hand side, I'm sorry. Sorry, I meant to do my arrows. On the left-hand side, from 12 to 8, what happens? Well, I go down 4, right? I minus 4. And then from 8 to 4, what happens? I go down another 4. So in order to find the slope, remember how slope was rise over run, and the y-axis is our up and down. So this is going to be -10 on top, -4 on bottom. What can I divide both of those numbers by? They're both even, so we'll go with 2. So I'm going to divide this by 2 and divide that by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. See how both of these are a negative? Two negatives make a positive when you're multiplying and dividing, which is what this is. So RM on the line would be 5 over 2. RM would be 5 over 2. Okay? So going on to the second one, we're going to do the same thing. From -5 to 3, we are going up 8. And again, I just got that from doing -5 minus 3. That's -8. I'm sorry. Well, I'm going up 8. No, I'm going up 8. I'm just going to say I'm going up 8. Okay. Then from 3 to 11, what happens? I go up 8 again. Then from here, I'm starting at -9. I'm ending at -7. So I'm adding 2. From -7 to -5, well, I'm adding another 2. Okay? So then again, we have +8 over +2. What can I divide both of those by? 2. And that gives me +4 on top, 1 on the bottom, so I could just write that as 4. Okay, so again, all I'm thinking about is how do I go from the first number to the second number, from the second number to the third number. Just making sure that when I go and divide those, we get the same thing. All right? Let's try one more. From 4 to 0, what happens? I go down 4. From 0 to -4, what happens? I go down -4. From 0 to 3, what happens? I add 3. From 3 to 6, what happens? I add 3 again. So we put the right side, -4, over the left side, +3. And you can't divide that anymore, so we're just going to have an answer of -4/3. That's it. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit more comfortable with that, and we're going to come back and try a few more.